Hi friends, myself Lipin. Today I am going to explain about TradingView, the best chart analysis platform. Nowadays most of the people are not aware like how we can analyze a chart based on TradingView, and this is like one click you will get the entire information. So this is one of the easy method where we can analyze a chart instead of your trading platform, because like the trading platforms are very slow, and to get the chart it is like very difficult, like each one we have to go and find out the chart, so it is taking too much time. By that time maybe 10 or 15 points will be going up. So by using this application you can set your chart very easily, and with one click you will be getting the entire information. So before going to the topic, if you are seeing first time my channel, kindly subscribe my channel, also enable the bell icon. Okay, let us go to the topic. So today we are going to see about TradingView. So TradingView is a software, or it is an application which we have to download. Then based on this application we can see the entire chart. So let us go to the Play Store. In the Play Store you can just type as TradingView. Once you type on TradingView you will be getting a blue color application. Just download this. So this will be the interface of the applications. So here it will be showing like all the foreign markets, like you can see all the foreign market will be here, and this is like the interface of the software. So here you can get the alert, all those information they will be mentioning, and once you download you have to clear all this, and you have to keep an Indian market. So I'm going to explain all those things today. So just download the applications. So once you download the applications you will be getting a page where here which I was shown now, like all the foreign markets will be showing there. You can clear all the things like this. So if you want to, you can clear all the informations. Here you can see like clear, or all those things you can do from here. And you can create your own watch list. So this is how I have created my own watch list here. So this is like based on bank I have created one watch list, commodities, healthcare industries, ITs, Nifties. So all those things, like what are things you want, you can create all those things here. So once you create all these things you can see like how the chart is going to work out here. So if you want to set up your chart, you can see here like how you want to your chart. So this is like based on the timing, okay, like how you want the chart. You want 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. So however you want, you can set the candle. So if you want to set the candle like 1 minute, you can keep 1 minute, and if you want to 5 minutes, you can keep as 5 minutes. So always remember that 5 minutes and 15 minutes are the best candle for taking an entry. Like once you cross, like last video I was explaining about VWAP and RSI, all those things. So use 50 minutes and 5 minutes candle. So that is the best candle for taking any trade. And after that you can take the candle, like what kind of candle you want. So all the bars or candle, however you want, you can select that. And here you can see like what kind of indicator is you are going to use. So like if you want any indicator, you can use this page. And templates, like what kind of template you are going to use. So this is what my template. And if you want to set for any template, like if you don't know like what is the resistance point and what is the support point, so all those things, like a lot of people will be giving you comments. Like here you can see like how Nifty is going to perform, or each stock there will be a support and resistance. So it will be helpful for any beginners. Like if you want to know like, okay, this stock, okay, what is the resistance and what is the support, all those things you will be getting in one click. So that is advantage, okay, like one click you will be getting the entire information. Here you can see like, okay, now you can see what is LND and where it is, and what is an resistance point and what is a support point, and here all those things they will be mentioning you. And if you want to create your own chart, you can go to indicator, and here if you want to create a VWAP, you can just type here, and here you can see VWAP, all those things will be coming here. And if you want to select RSI, you can type here RSI, and the RSI here you can see relative strength index, that is RSI. So all those information you can click here. And if you want to keep any alert, okay, now for example LND is now 940, so you want to buy at 950, so you can keep an alert here, so that once it comes to 950 you will be getting an alert. So all the information you can keep here. And based on the chart, okay, let us move to the watch list first. Okay, this is like the watch list of trading platform. So here you can see TradingView, it will be very easy. Like if you want to once you set the chart, so like for example now you want to see, okay, you went and so like bank is performing well, and one click you can see, okay, all the bank will be coming here. This you have to create, okay. So one click all the bank won't be coming. First you have to create a watch list like bank, then you can add also, like if you want to add here any of the bank, okay, RBL bank, so you can keep on adding here, like how much ever bank you want, you can add here also. So this is RBL bank. So now this is added to watch list. Like this you can add it to your watch list. So once you create like each watch list and you have set the chart, so in one click you can see, like you have to go to set your own chart now. So you can go to your template. This is my chart, okay. So like VAP and RSI I have already done, and you can see here. So this is my chart. So immediately if you want to see all the bank sector, so now HDFC you are seeing, immediately you want to see Kotak. So in one click, like all the information will be coming now. So that is the best thing, like whenever you are using this chart, you can watch multiple shares at a time. So if you are using any other application, like if you are using Angel Broking or Zerodha or Upstock, any application, it is not like this. You won't be able to see the entire things in one click. So in these applications, you can search out, okay, what are the stocks are moving up. So once you find, you can use your Angel Broking application or like whatever the application you are using, and you can place a buy order based on that. So it will be helpful also, like any chart you can see. Like if you want to see, now you want to see another watch list, okay, now I want to watch commodities, okay, how gold is or silver is going to perform. So here I can see, and suddenly I want to see some other stock like IT, okay, how IT is going to perform. So I am going to see TCS. So here you can see TCS. Within one click, the information is coming, and the chart also is very easy. Like if you are using any other application, it is not like that much easy. And if you want to have any ideas, okay, how the people are using, okay, this is how a lot of people ideas they have given, and this chart is ready-made also is there. So if you are a beginner, it will be very helpful also. Like if you go to this chart, you can use like already the ready-made graphs are there. Like this, here you can see the moving average. So like lot of ideas you will be getting, like based on moving average, how you can take a trade. Here you can see like how they have taken an entry, because here you can see the green candle and 3 lines. So based on that they have taken an entry. And the same way you can see other templates like sync trading. Here you can see they will be mentioning you like each support and resistance. Here you can see the entire trade, it is not going above the resistance point. Like yesterday I was telling you the Nifty, okay, let us see the Nifty. So Nifty, like yesterday I was telling you 1640 was the resistance. So how we can identify why this point is a resistance point? Here you can see the major advantage of this trading view is that you can zoom this up also, like not like other application, like your trading platform, we cannot zoom and see. Here you can zoom and you can zoom out also. So that is one of the best advantage of these applications. And here you can see, like yesterday I was telling, this is the point where we are having resistance. Here you can see the resistance point. So here you can see the line you can see. So this was the resistance point here. So almost here you can see 640, the 35 to 640 was the resistance point. So that is the reason you can see here Nifty came nearby the resistance and it did not break that point. So that is the reason Nifty did not move to this level. If Nifty is breaking this level, you can expect the next level is above 700, 10,700. So there is no other resistance in after this area. So this is like one of the best tool where you can identify, okay, if you are a beginner, you should identify, okay, where is the Nifty support, and once the resistance is broken, resistance is broken, where you have to take an entry and how much you can expect, like how much is the next resistance. So till that you can wait. So once it goes to the next resistance level, you have to wait and see, okay, this resistance is going to break or not. So based on that you can take a better entry. So all those things, it will be very useful. Like for any beginner, it will be very helpful, like to identify the chart, and you have to read always the chart. So without chart, don't take any entry blindly, because yesterday we could not take any entry, because we know that this is the level and only those levels are breaking, then only we have to take. Why we have to take simply entry and we have to waste our money? So we have to identify where the levels are going to break out, and if there is a breakout, we can take a good entry and we can make a good profit also, and we can make sure that 90 to 95% will be getting profit on those occasions. So always you have to identify, like where is, like each stock also you can identify. If you want to see any stock here, like you can see, okay, DBS Lab, and they will be mentioning you like where is the next support and where is the resistance point. So here you can see this is going only always nearby the resistance zone. So there you won't be getting much profit on this occasion. Here you can see. So whenever here you can see the resistance is broken and it is moving up now, and it is touching the next resistance here, you can see. So it is going both lines. So there is a support as well as there is a resistance. So in my next video I will be giving you like a better idea about resistance and support. So this is like about TradingView. Okay, TradingView, I hope this topic is very clear, and like watch list, all those things you can create here. And if you want to delete anything, you can just drag here and you can delete, or you can go here, and from here you can keep edit, and you can delete. Like if you want to delete Apollo Hospital, you can delete. Like that you can delete also. So all those information will be there. And the major advantage of this TradingView is like one click you will be getting. Like you see, only one click you will be getting the entire information. Like if you want to see RSI, okay, immediately your chart is ready now here, and you want to watch some other stock here. So in like Nifty you want to see, okay, Bank Nifty you want to see, everything you will be getting in one click. So like if you are going using any other application, like what are the application you are using, you know how much time it is taking to load. Like if you are using any of the application, like you have to open the chart, again you have to come back, again you have to open. So it is taking too much time, and by the time maybe 5 or 10 points will be going up. So here means within one click you will be getting the entire information, and this will be very useful for you. Like you can find out like where is the support, where is the resistance. So all those information you will be getting. So in the same way, I have started a WhatsApp group also, like to help the beginners. Like daily basis I'll be providing you like free tips here. So this group is absolutely free. You can see like where are the resistance points. So all those things I'll be mentioning here. So it will be like very useful for the beginners to start trading. So you can join this group. The group link I have given in the description. You can just click on the link and you can join here. So if anyone want to learn more about market, you can visit my YouTube channel Lipin EJ, and you can learn more about market. I have uploaded a lot of videos related to market, and you can see all the videos here. So kindly visit my channel, also subscribe my channel. The same way, those interested to open account with Angel Broking application, you can open the account through the link I have mentioned here. The same link I have mentioned in the description as well. So moving to like moving to the last topic. Like I hope this topic is very clear, and in the next videos I will be giving based on your suggestion. Like if you have any suggestions or any clarification, or if you want to know any topic, you can give me in the comment box, so that I will be making a better video on my next videos. So kindly subscribe my channel, or also like this video if you are interested with it, if you are clear with this topic. Thanks for watching.